Guys, we got that Kia gets Faraday bags to check and try. So let's see how this works. They are the extra large Faraday bag with the EMP proof for laptops and tablets. These are Faraday cases for iPhones or phones and car key signals jammer. This comes with this lanyard, so you can make these bags into a proper holding bag. And then you can also these are some steps, so we can just show it. This is for the wallet that you can put it in your wallet to block any RFID. So the small ones for the mobile or little bit for a bigger mobiles or the key pops or anything. So for the tablets and stuff, so 5-piece set. So I'm doing this unboxing first. You can see the inner material is like flexible and for the blocking things. So let's see, like I'm putting this tablet inside. So two-way sealing, one fold and then two-fold sealing. It can actually blocks the signals. So once it is in here, it blocks everything, so it's disconnected from the Wi-Fi or any other thing. You can put in this lanyard, as I said, then you can hold it on your shoulder or the way you want to. So nice strong bag here. So let's just take this out. So I try to be fast so that I can show, and you can see the whole network is gone here. So now it will catch up again the Wi-Fi signal once it's out, but typically like it takes this Wi-Fi out. So I can also try this with my mobile phone, and you can see like my mobile have the signal here, or I can use this one. So my mobile have the signals here, and then when I put it in this bag and just close it, and let's see like how effective this is. So yeah, like sealed it properly. You can use this lanyard like if you want to, just to be it's up to you if you want to use it or not. So just take it out like pretty fast so I can show it to you. Yeah, you see that all the signals are gone. So it catch ups again. So basically like this bags works and it's out of the network. I also try calling on my cell phone and it's not working, so that is a good thing. So flexibles are nice looking bags, and you can just store all your laptops and things with the different sizes. So pretty much it's a set. So they are also like water resistant and fire resistant. So it's better for the protection, and it's a pair of the 5 packs.